In this video, we will learn how to write GNU zip file. I will use gedit editor to create our file first step, and I will name it GNU zip.py. I will import gzip module and then import OS module. And now I will use a variable file name and set its value to some file such as demo.txt.gz. And now I'm going to use gzip modules function open and gzip dot open and pass in the file name. I will open it as in a writing mode and as a binary file, and we will get our file handler. And I will save it in our file. And now we'll try to write some text to this file, and I will run that code in try finally block, and I'm going to use out file dot write function to write content to the file. Example. And now I can just close it, or if you want you can write a couple of lines. And finally I will close this file by calling our files close method. Now I will print the file name and its size in bytes. So it will be bytes of compressed data. So it will be file name contains. Here can use OS module stat function and pass in our out file or file name. And use this property st underscore size for its size in bytes. I will go ahead and also print the MIME type of this file to make sure it is gzip. To do that, we can call OS modules system and execute file with option B, and then MIME to print out MIME type of our file, and then the file name, and just save it. So we have a file name, and then we open this file for in a writing mode and binary, and we get the file handler which we can use to write content to file. So I'm going over here calling its write function and passing in some text that will be written to this file. And in finally, I'm closing this file, and then we are printing the MIME type of this GZ file. And also over here on the next line, I'm printing file name and the number of byte it contains as compressed data. Let's see if it works and run on our terminal. I need to add a B over here to write it as bytes or file. I'm just gonna modify. Now we can just test it on our terminal by typing Python 3 and GNU zip that our script name and py and just hit enter. You can see it is showing the MIME type of that file as a gzip file, and it contains 62 bytes of data, the text we added to this file. So this way you can write to GNU zip file in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.